When you take a Cisco device, you are making some configuration, right? So after making this configuration, you need to save this configuration, because when you made any configuration, this configuration is stored in the RAM, that means random access memory. So RAM is a volatile memory, that means if there is any power failure on that time, all your information will be lost. So we are calling this running config, right? So running config means basically our configuration is stored inside the RAM. So we have startup configuration, that means read only memory or non-volatile random access memory. You need to copy your configuration into the startup configuration. For that we are using command from the privilege execute mode, copy running config to startup config, that means copy from RAM to ROM. So we'll implement this and use in the packet tracer. I'm going to make one switch, then after we'll do this configuration, and after that we will save this into the ROM. I'm going to add the switch, so we'll add one switch. Then after I'm going to change host name. So switch is booting up. We'll wait until this complete. Right. Now we are in the user mode. We'll move into the privilege execute mode. Then after global configuration mode. I'm going to change host name into admin switch 1. Now if I move back into the privilege execute mode, then after I can type show running config. It will show all the configuration which is stored in our random access memory. So here you can see I did this change, hostname admin switch, this configuration also there, right? So these are the configuration. If you do any password, any IP address, all that will be shown here. Now I'm going to show startup config. That means whichever configuration available inside our read only memory, that means bootable configuration. When your device is booting up, on that time it will load configuration from the read only memory, right? That means our startup config. So there is no startup config, right? Now I am going to copy my running config into the startup config. Okay, then now we will check show startup config. Then now it will show this information, right? Because we have copied this information into startup config. Now all this information are saved inside the switch. Now whenever if there is any power cut on that time, it isn't going to lose this information, right? It will again boot this configuration from the read only memory and your device will work without any issue. So this configuration I applied for the switch and also routers. So both of device you can configure like this.